Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is day 16 of the November Leetcode Daily Challenge. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me see if there are extra points. No, extra coins. Yeah. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about today's farm. And again, it's later in the night, so I am trying these blue light blocking glasses, so we'll see. Tonight it seems to be a easy farm, so I'm gonna do a bonus one. If you feel like this was too easy for you, definitely let's do it again. Or do another one. Stay tuned and hit the subscribe button, the bell, and all that funky stuff. Okay, let's see. I mean, this is clearly just binary search, and definitely you need to practice this. So let's play around with this. What can n go? Oh, n is from 1 to 10 or 1 to n or okay. So 1 to n is inclusive. So let's do it. Left is equal to 1 is n. Oops, where does num even come from? Okay. So I have something like this. Mid is equal to left plus right over 2. And then basically if, or let's say v is equal to guess of mid. If v is equal to 0, then we just return mid, right? Else, if v is greater than 0, or then the number is smaller, so that means that right is equal to mid minus 1, else then left is equal to mid plus 1. I think that's pretty much it, really. So yeah, and if they converge, it doesn't matter which one you use, so yeah. Don't know if I need to do, oh, did I mess that up? Did I misread this one? 1 if the number is lower, right? That's confusing. The number is higher, yeah. Why is this returning 1? Okay, let's take a look. Man, some days nothing goes right, but I'm very confused unless I really misread this one. I'm reading this thing. Num, oh, I see. Sorry, I did misread it. I read that num, so this number is smaller than the picked number. Okay. So that means that we want left is equal to mid plus 1, and then here we want that. I mean, I guess that's really the only way I could have been wrong, other than off by 1s. And that didn't look like an off by 1. So yeah, okay, looks good. Yeah, I think I'm okay with just give us a mid. There may be some. So if you're using a language that isn't Python, you probably need to use 64-bit ints just to be careful. It's just very easy to mess up. Yeah, 690-day streak. I'm not gonna go over binary search today, but you know, you should be very familiar with it. The idea here is that the way that I always think about it, right? I'll just give a brief overview, but I'm not gonna go over it too deeply. I need to get a video out. But basically, my idea is that okay, so we have inclusive bounds left and right. So inclusive bounds, that means that, and that determines the while statement, because that means that if left is equal to right, then the inclusive bound has one element, right? And then here, if v is equal to 0, that means that it's correct. You know, I think that's self-explanatory. If this is greater, then you can think about the bound being, you know, now it's left and right, right? The left, now you try the middle, and the number is bigger, right? So maybe I could draw it a little bit with ASCII art. But yeah, you definitely should know this very, very well for interview. So definitely be familiar with this. But yeah, let's say this is your range and you're looking at this middle thing, and then you know that it has to be bigger than this middle thing. So then now you can draw everything to the right. That's basically the idea. You set this left here, or maybe here, right? And that's basically the idea, and then you delete them away. Same logic for the right, and that's pretty much it. This is going to be O of log n, so which means that this is going to be linear time, linear space, because remember that the complexity is going to be the size of the input, and every time you do a bisection, it uses 1 bit of the input, and the input is X bits, right? So that's basically why this, I would say, or let's say L bits, maybe, I don't know, whatever. But it's linear time because it takes for every bit in the size of the input, it's going to take one unit time, and therefore it's going to be linear time. That's pretty much all I have for this one. Let me know what you think. Stay good, stay healthy to good mental health. I'll see y'all later, and remember, I'm going to do an extra one, so hopefully see you there soon. Bye-bye.